Kublai parlak ma te ngini page kanika official notification kabang yo na Meghalaya Police website ma Government of Meghalaya Office of the Chairman Central Recruitment Board Tini gong ba dated Shillong 22nd 10 2025 kani gari kasni kabaki publish ya katuka result kajongi kama kabangi obtain ma gong ba it is hereby informed that the roll number of the candidate who have qualified for the personal interview to the post UBSI fireman mechanic driver fireman driver constable have been shortlisted in the official website Meghalaya Police website. Subsequently, shortlisting of roll number for other posts will be published shortly. Dia menta kini Southly ki post la mi ma ka UBSI ka fireman mechanic driver fireman but ka driver constable ma. Dia kitu ki ki post ki ong ba shen on supply no ma. Dia ni pe menta kini ka general instruction ko no. All the candidates who have been shortlisted for personal interview will have to attend the personal interview in allotted interview center as per date and time duly indicated. Te barok ki candidate ki bala qualified bala mi kartang ma kin ha ban le ki personal interview ki jongki ha ki jaka bala bo ma kat kum katarik bat kapor bala ai ma saya ki da pila check euro number le jong ma ti ban poi ki jaka reporting times kadai pra baji step nam ki morning shift but kharar baje step nam ki afternoon shift Admit card for the personal interview will be issued on the spot after completion of scrutiny and verification of all the documents ma. Dia ka admit card nam ka personal interview kin IP hak tu ka jaka hak tu ka sngi ka ba pinlet ban le ki interview jong pi hadien ba kila daban page bat pinsisha ya borok khati documents ki jong pi ma. They are to bring all the original documents, testimonial, ID in physical form. Di wang ba borok khait ki haban ra phiaban ra lut ik documents borok khait ma tu ba phi panot kam naman ta be pin apply kani ka Meghalaya Police ma ra do borok khait in hard copy dai ra ba pin ra da ka phone pin i kum to tam long ra ma produce their pet admit card and written test admit card ti kani ka PET admit card kani ka pet ba pin ma re ru habra ka ba phi tho exam tu ka admit card ru ban ra lang ma broadly te tu belajar tam tip ra kin lek na te ngan sawat jing tip ma ni nang tai bala ban yo e ma sa pen tip sia te phia ban submit ru two latest passport size photograph having white background to atli bera pitang shoe caption shen ma ki badan ya kanika white background to jaka shadien jong phi ba shandorang ka ban long ka bali ma te Medical examination will be conducted at the Civil Hospital Shillong or Tura. The cost of medical tests shall be borne by the candidate as per rate charged by the hospital. Te kanika medical ha bande ha civil Shillong la ne civil Tura ma. Tiki bade na khasi jantiang trai kila in baro shani hi se Shillong tiki bade na station Garo ki ajan station Tura ma te kajing lot nam taka medical ni haban siu hi ma medical expenses haban siu hi mangi ki ba candidate ki balde medical ma the candidate must appear for the personal interview at his or her own expense kuturu haban lot hi ring interview tamano ban ai ma ban lot hi na te tong ta hi blai ma